Aquila 44 Kismet. Which is in great shape. The bar, that window opens. Look at the galley, Corian's in great shape. Cushions, this is like a brand new boat, really. There is a hidden TV right there. Guest cabin, their own private head. Lots of storage in this boat too. It's a true power boat. Guest cabin number 2. Big windows, so you don't feel like you're in a dungeon. Reading lights. There's the window. Nice big head. Sunlight. The big king-size bed. Access from both sides. Lots of light in here too, or you can close the blinds for privacy. Nice seating area, can be workspace or makeup. Huge locker here. Another big one right here. From a liveaboard point of view, this is an awesome boat. Here's your shower in the head. We'll quickly go up to the Flybridge. Nice crane Davit system. Look at the courtesy lights. It does have underwater lights. Nice seating area, so you're not the only one up here driving. You can have people hanging out with you. Nice seating area. Barbecue grill, sink. The other key feature of Aquila is you can get down multiple access points, those steps that came up. And then this is great when you're anchoring or just to hang out. Huge storage lockers up there. And the anchor system, so even by yourself you can handle this boat.